So this is our project, Smart Automated Bed, with our team members Anagha, Anushka, Ashrita and Ritik. And with the hardware available and the sensors available to us, we have created a smart automated bed. So starting with the objectives, these are the objectives we have covered: controlling bed movement, measuring heart rate, emergency button, LCD display and emergency fan in case of fire. So starting with the first feature, we have measuring heart rate.
So to measure the heart rate, we have used LDR sensor to mimic the actions of a heart rate sensor. So these values are passed through the ADC to get the digital value. The digital value is then displayed on the LCD display. Post that, the value is passed through the DAC. Suppose that the value is passed to the DAC and onto the oscilloscope. So the variations in the voltage will be visible on the oscilloscope. So coming to the next feature.
Yeah, so with varying intensity of the brightness of LDR, we can see that the values will change on the screen, and based on that, the waves will change. Next feature.
Next feature is automatic bed movement. So it is very hard every time that a person should come and do the movement for them. So we automated that. We have used stepper motor for this. So we have made use of two switches for that. One is for upside movement, another is for downside movement. So when we press this switch,
I think it likes my hand. You can keep pressing it.
I pause.
So we can see that this is the one in movement in one direction, and this is the movement in the other direction.
this mimics the upside movement and downside movement of the bed.
Next feature is of emergency button.
So basically, in case of like an emergency, we've added like a button. So when the button is pressed, like a sound will basically be created.
So a buzzer is used in this case. So if the nurse is away from the patient and the patient wants to communicate an emergency, he can use this button.
So the next feature that we have is we have a moving display which basically says take your meds. So usually like patients forget to take their medicine. So like in every room we can have like a display saying take your meds.
So we have a LM35 temperature sensor over here that monitors the temperature conditions of the room. So we have programmed it in such a way that if the temperature conditions become harsh, then the DC motor starts running. That is, if the value goes beyond 100, then it starts running.
This is the concept of an emergency fan. Thank you.